Let's go, guys. Let's go. This is Simeon from Trinidad and Tobago. Right. So I'm really excited to bring today's opportunity to you guys. You know, we on this day and time, we talk a lot about Shao Bank and how you could get involved with this platform and start earning some passive income, right? So I don't want to take up too much of your time on today's call because today's a working day. It's Tuesday. A lot of people would be taking a little time off to hear about the opportunity. But the good thing is that we have this opportunity recorded, so you could basically get the recording on YouTube and look at it at your own convenience, right? So once again, welcome to today's opportunity call. My name is Simeon, all the way from Trinidad and Tobago. I could see a lot of people is busy today. Right, I just want to take a minute here just to announce that we are live. Right, give me 1 second. Right, let's inform the Telegram group that we are live. Right, so basically today we're going to talk about creating value for future generations with Shao Bank, right? So we're going to touch basically on some of the confirmation, some of the platform, how persons could easily get involved with the opportunity, invest into some of the supported bonds and have the bonds working for them, right? So basically we want to just play a short clip, right? Because I know a lot of people, taking a little bit of their time to come on today's call. So let me just play a short summit video that was recently available to the official Shao Bank community, right? So they recently had a 1-year accomplishment here, right? So anniversary accomplishment. And that's what I'm going to play right now. I'm going to basically get that video for you guys so you can take a look at that information there. So a lot of announcement was made too as well. We want to take a quick look at the announcements. Right, so let me just play this from the start here, resume fully. Right, so we're gonna play a short summit that took place recently. Hats off to Shao Bank, they are doing great, and they have already made 1 year accomplished online being accessible globally, right? And we want to just play that anniversary summit today. Guys, just remember to send a broadcast to the group so that them know we are live, right? Not a lot of people is working, so that's why we are recording the call as well.
Shao Bank is a place that attracts the best professionals in the financial industry, and I am proud to be here at this event. As a guest at the Shao Bank Anniversary Summit, I am delighted to participate in this event, which promises to be both informative and inspiring. Let's immerse ourselves in this atmosphere. For me, the Shao Bank Anniversary Summit is the pinnacle of financial events. I am very impressed and thrilled to be a part of this event.
right? So this recently took place, right? Major milestone, yeah, big accomplishment, community gathering with the founder of Shao Bank and the top leaders as well within the organization, the corporate members. Yeah, so this is a really big accomplishment here at Shao Bank.
Dear participants and esteemed guests, welcome to the Shao Bank Anniversary Summit, dedicated to celebrating our bank's milestone. This is a special event that reflects not only our achievements, but also our commitment to continuous development and innovation. Throughout this conference, we will delve into the world of finance, investments, and business. So let's embark on this exciting journey together, full of opportunities and promising prospects. Welcome to the Shao Bank Anniversary Summit. First and foremost, I would like to invite the founder of Shao Bank, Yang Shao, to the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed partners and dear guests, today we have gathered not just to mark an anniversary, but to celebrate a journey of innovation, resilience, and unwavering dedication to our cause. Our success is attributed to each of our employees and all those who believe in our mission. To our partners, you represent trust and shared ambitions. Together, we will continue to shape the financial landscape, embrace change, and create value for future generations. Today, as I stand before you, I contemplate the complex world of bonds. Bonds, like relationships, require trust, commitment, and a shared vision. Just as Shao Bank stands firmly on its principles, bonds form the foundation of stability in the financial world. At Shao Bank, we aim for every step we take to be based on ethics, legality, and dedication to the interests of our clients. Let us remember that legality is not just a constraint, but a compass that guides us toward an honest and successful future. Shao Bank was established on September 28, 2022. In October, we introduced bonds with a 0.2% daily yield and a 3-year maturity. In May 2023, Shao Bank relocated its financial operations to the United Kingdom, as recommended by the Hong Kong Monetary Authority. Yang Shao contributed nearly £1 billion to the British Exchequer. We plan to issue physical cards for our clients worldwide, install crypto ATMs with Shao software. All of this is aimed.
So I just want to pause there and point out something that a lot of people may miss there, but you all heard what he said there, that there's soon to be a crypto card available worldwide, right? And they are looking to install ATM machines where individuals could use that crypto card to withdraw their funds. So that, guys, that is something great to look forward to. I just paused the video to point that out. I'm going to point out some other stuff as well within the summit that took place in the question and answering too.
Aimed at creating a more comfortable environment for our clients. Let us build the future of the financial industry together. Thank you for your support and belief in us. Now, let's move on to the question and answer session. VIP guests, please prepare your questions for the leaders of Shao Bank. Will Shao Bank be opening branches in other countries? If so, how soon can this happen? Thank you. Yes, this year we are opening several Shao Bank branches. We want to test their operation over the next few months. And our plan for 2024 and 2025 is to open bank branches in 50 countries worldwide, with more to come.
10个国家，谢谢。
Will it be possible to use Shao Bank cards for online payments and transfers to cards from other banks by number? Yes, this feature is already available.
他说的是消费的
The issuance of a physical Shao Bank card costs 5,000 Hong Kong dollars, and the monthly maintenance fee is 1,000 Hong Kong
是
dollars.
1000。
Virtual cards are issued for free and do not have a monthly maintenance fee.
情况是这样。
Currently, this feature is available for residents of some countries, but we are actively working to expand this service.
在未来的5年，
Our plan for the next 5 years includes extending UnionPay support to 40 countries worldwide.
谢谢。
How much investment was attracted in the past 3 months from the sale of AA 5190 bonds with a 16.5% yield?
吸引了多少的投资额？
Right, so someone in the crowd here would have asked a question because with Shao Bank, every so often they introduce new bonds to the public, to the community, so investors could partake in those bonds, right? So most of the bonds as well, in the past, you know, they were higher percentages paying out compared to what we are getting access to today. So basically, this person was asking how much persons actually bought into that particular bond, right? So
In the past 3 months, we attracted 2.4 billion HKD from the sale of these bonds.
AA 5190债券中吸引了24亿港币，
Indeed, this bond series has broken all
系列
records.
债券确实创下了历史的新高。当我
We are looking to the future and have already received new investment projects from companies.
公司和新投资项目
We have a clear plan to issue new bonds up to 2030.
在2030年之前发行新的债券。
So as you could hear from Mr. Rong Tang, the chief bond specialist, they have a clear sight for the year 2030, right? So in terms of their bonds and stuff. So when I hear things like these as an investor in the platform, I mean, I'm excited, guys, and you all should be too, because this year is actual proof that we are on the right track with this particular platform, right? So I'm really happy to hear the bond specialists announce something like that.
How many new series of bonds will Shao Bank release?
非常好的问题。其实少贝不断收到，
Shao Bank continuously receives investment projects from our partner
我
companies.
们正在考虑为我们的伙伴、机构
In addition, we receive proposals from organizations outside our ecosystem.
资服务，因此少贝计划发
Therefore, Shao Bank plans to issue many new bond series with different prices and yields to finance various business projects.
我们的业务模式深受欢迎。
Our business model is in high demand, and with the bank's growing popularity, we expect even more investment opportunities.
的机会。
Right, so just to clear up what was being said there is that they already have a strong ecosystem, guys, and this is with some of these corporations with 35 years experience, some operating since 2006. They have Go Insurance tied to the platform. What they are saying here, what the chief bond specialist is saying is that other companies is looking to partnership with Shao Bank, right? So that is actually a good thing, because now they will have more options available to offer us different bond series, right? So come 2024, we are looking forward to even more bonds being introduced to the public. Right, so I'm seeing Indonesia on the call. Really excited to have you on the call. right? So I'm just quickly explaining some of the main areas here, main points in the summit that took place. Remember, this is available in the Shao Bank official YouTube channel, on their official Telegram. I'm just pointing out some main areas to me, what stands out, and just to clear up some of the information being said.
I have a question about the legal activities of Shao Bank worldwide. Can you explain the basis of this and how it will be sustainable for the bank's future operations in different countries?
Thank you for your questions. I'll take these questions and reply you in English. Over the past year, we have fully refined this area, and Shao Bank now is fully compliant with the principle of international legal activities. We would like to thank the representative of the Monetary Authority of Hong Kong for the continuous counseling of our legal department. Shao Bank is licensed to conduct banking and bond trading in the United Kingdom, which makes everything the bank does legal. For example, if you live in the United States, you can legally purchase our bonds and pay taxes according to your country tax law when converting cryptocurrencies into legal tender. The bank will provide safe and compliant financial services to its customers in accordance with the law. Thank you.
By far, guys, what this gentleman just said here, the legal counsel advisor, he basically is telling us that Shao Bank have all the legal documents to operate globally. All right, so I mean, this is by far the most important thing when dealing with finances online. You have to find out the legal side of the particular organization. So here you could clearly see the proper explanation and documents available. And we're going to look a little closer into some of the legal side that is available on the Shao Bank website as well.
Why does Shao Bank use cryptocurrency as a method of payment for topping up and withdrawing funds from the Shao card instead of using bank cards?
银行卡呢？谢谢。
It's a very important issue. We choose cryptocurrency as a payment method because it is legal and helps reduce fees and taxes. Our main goal is to provide our clients with the highest possible return on their bonds. This is why we decided not to use bank cards, as fees and taxes can be as high as 20% of the bank.
Right, so this is really important even for our country in Trinidad and Tobago. When people is asked about the cryptocurrencies, and this is a proper explanation here, guys, because of the taxes and fees, people are choosing the cryptocurrency method as a payment method compared to a regular credit card or local currency because of the taxes behind the payment method, right? So I'm really glad that they implemented the crypto as a withdrawal. And
Banks turnover when using bank cards. We do not want to keep such a large percentage of our investor income. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us at the event today. We are pleased to announce the completion of the Shao Bank Anniversary Summit.
Right, so I'm just gonna end it there with the conference that took place with the summit there. And guys, there's a lot of things to look forward to with Shao Bank, because with Shao Bank, they are going to implement the crypto card availability to different countries, right? They're gonna implement ATM machines where individuals could use these cards. They talk about the taxes and the different why they use cryptocurrencies and the legal side behind Shao Bank. So I just want to get in. Today we're going to do the presentation a little different. As you can see, we started off with the video that is available that took place recently, right? So that's the 1-year summit that took place there. So before I get any further into the bonds explanation and the legal side of Shao Bank, I just have a short risk disclaimer I would like to put out there. This is my personal risk disclaimer, dealing with any online activities that is dealing with cryptocurrencies and stuff. that I am not responsible for your funds, right? Just keep that in mind. I'm just an investor, just like you guys coming into our platform, you know, understanding what the platform is about and taking that risk in terms of investing, right? So by no means I'm in control of your funds. I'm just like an investor. I'm a guy that saw opportunity online, saw people making money, and in March I got involved. And since I joined in March, guys, I've seen tremendous growth within our account, capitalizing, of course, on the bonds availability from Shao Bank, the marketing aspects of Shao Bank, which pays really, really great, and other bond contract within the organization, right? So with that being said, that is just my personal risk disclaimer that this is not financial advice. And it's always important for you to do your own research, understand what it is you're getting involved. Most importantly, the risk associated with the investment. And you take that leap of faith, right? Like what I did as well. Because at the end of the day, guys, if you want to get new results, you had to try something new, right? Your old ways wouldn't generate new results, and no risk, no reward. Simple as that. All businesses do consist of risk. It's just that we are actually seeing results in Shao Bank, and we are just sharing that information with the general public here, right? So we want to jump straight into the presentation side of things, and we want to cover some major areas that is available on the website. So we were talking about the legal side of Shao Bank. And with Shao Bank, guys, they have all the documentations available to the public that they are qualified to operate online and handle online transactions, right? So under their website, under who we are, you're going to see documentation. And under documentation, you're going to see the legal certificate here because Shao Bank has been originally registered in Hong Kong in September 2022. And they recently, not too long after that, they got regulated in the UK. So they both have the certificates available from the Hong Kong and also the UK. So while further on to the presentation, you're going to see HKD, right, which is called the Hong Kong dollar. This is a simple currency that is used in Hong Kong, and this is what is being used on the platform, right? So we basically have the option to invest via crypto. There's about 12, 13 different types of crypto, like Bitcoin, you know, you have USDT, TRX, Solana, a lot of different tokens available. To invest in the platform converts that cryptocurrency into the HKD to activate the contract that is available to us as investors. So on the documents here, you're going to see some certificates present on the website here. The LEI, that's the legal entity identifier number. You need to have that certificate to operate online transactions and stuff like that, dealing with finances. You have available the ICRIS, which is cyber information. You want to have a certificate present to operate remotely because Shao Bank is also a neo bank, meaning that is a 100% accessible online. You have the IPLC certificate, which is a UK regulation certificate available to the public. And then they recently added the COI, which is the Go Insurance certificate, indicating to us that Shao Bank is partnership with Go Insurance. Go Insurance basically is a third-party organization that is in Shao Bank ecosystem, right? And what Go Insurance is telling us is that our money is insured with Shao Bank, right? So that is what basically Go Insurance is indicating to us. On the Go Insurance website, you could see Shao Bank here listed as a partnership corporation. So this is one of the ecosystem. With Shao Bank, there's four corporation companies. That's Financial Partners, Global Future, and Universal Century. All right, so those are the corporations tied to Shao Bank. Right, so most importantly, that's the ecosystem. We talk about the legal side, the certificates available. Also available is 2022 financial report. Come the ending of this year, we should be given a next financial report as well. How important is this, guys? This is really important because this is indicating to the public how funds is being accumulated within the platform, right? And we have the corporations of the ecosystem contributing towards Shao Bank financially, I'm speaking of, right? So you could see the digits here, and in Hong Kong, they reported 56.22 million, and they were checked by legal side corporations as well, financial departments. You can see the ICRIS here, just to list one of the organization, right? So basically, that's some major stuff there. That's the legal side. Shao Bank, as indicated on the summit, have a roadmap all the way till 2032. You could always verify the accomplishments here on Shao Bank website. You go to Shao Bank website, you see who we are, roadmap, and you're going to see all the accomplishments here, right? So basically, I want to go straight into the investment side of Shao Bank. You know, people are looking at a lot of ways to make some money online. They have a little bit of cash put aside. They want to invest it. The banks locally, I mean, they basically taking your money. You understand? You have to pay monthly fees to rent a savings account. You know, as a lot of high interest if you're taking a loan. And that's a good thing. With Shao Bank, they have available to you the bonds option to invest in. They have deposit option, and they also have loans available. Once you're qualified, you could request a loan within the platform. So we want to just log into our account here quickly. We want to show you guys, I like to show this particular demonstration on our account that's dealing with the bonds available with Shao Bank. So just give me 1 minute. Let me just log into my account. Alright, so let's just get my account up and running here. I like to show this part for the bonds explanation. Right, here we go. Alright, so we're gonna go straight to the bonds. We want to show you guys what is available to you as an investor. Right, so these are the bonds available. So I could tell you guys straight off that bonds is a more predictable approach when it comes to investing, because bonds is more how sustainable, right? It's less risky compared to forex trading and cryptocurrency trading. So with bonds, with Shao Bank, they have 4 contracts available currently, but I have to indicate to you all that there are 2 certificates here in terms of the contract that is no longer going to be available come the 18th of this month. So which means you have 3 to 4 days to make a decision if you see it fit to start off with this particular CC2379 and DD3267. So you have about 3 or 4 days to make a decision to come in that and capitalize on those particular contracts. So we want to start off with the basic contract available to the public, and that is BB1720. With BB1720, it's literally minimum 51 USDT. You would see me speaking a lot about USDT TRC20 because this is the currency we mostly use in Trinidad and Tobago, right? Compared to the Bitcoin and the other cryptocurrencies available on Shao Bank platform, you have over 12, 13 different cryptocurrencies to choose from to do a deposit within the platform. But we like to use TRC20, so you would find me talking a lot about the USD TRC20. So you're looking at 51 USDT to invest into the platform. What is this going to do for you? It's going to generate returns 0.40% daily for 7 days, right? And that is going to run for 3 years. So this particular contract, its maturity date is 3 years, generating 0.40% a day. And overall, upon completion, you're looking at 432% return back to you. So this window here is going to show you your daily, weekly, monthly, and annual. So if you're coming in with the basic, guys, it's $51, which is totally affordable. I would assume so, you know, for everyone, because we spend a lot of money in things that doesn't really bring a income to us, that doesn't really be an asset to us. So now we have an opportunity here to actually put our money to work for us, right? And that's investing into the contracts available from Shao Bank. So basically, if you do that 51 USDT, it's going to give you BB1720, and it's going to generate 11.20 HKD every week back to your account. So you're wondering, what is this 11.2? It's easy, guys. You just go to the online, you type in the web browser, you type in USDT to HKD, right? So it's going to bring up a free calculator here, and you could simply use this calculator to give you an idea how much is 11.2. So that's about $1.43 coming back to your account every single week for 3 years, guys. That's the basic contract available, and it's pretty much affordable for everyone to start with that particular contract. So that's the basic contract there. And the good thing about Shao Bank, you could have multiple contracts running in your account. You don't need to just leave one, because when you start to hear about the marketing with Shao Bank, you're gonna go crazy, because everybody's capitalizing on the marketing side of Shao Bank, even myself. And with that marketing comes 7% commission on your first level, which is by far one of the highest percentages available with Shao Bank in terms of payouts, right? So basically, this here is the basic bond to get involved with. You have the next bond available called AA3391, and this also run for 3 years. This pays 0.45% a day, 7 days a week. I mean, our money don't sleep, guys. We put it into the platform. This is how you generate money while you sleep, having your money working for you, right? So you have AA3391. The minimum, however, for this particular contract is 10,136 USDT. And this is where everything changes, because with Shao Bank, you have the option to take your funds that you get into your account in terms of your returns and put that to activate a next contract for you, so you could reinvest in the platform. So with this particular contract, weekly now we're getting 25.20, and if we change this 25.20 here on the website, that's literally 322 USDT you're looking at coming back to you every single week. So guess what? You now could activate more of BB1720 and still do a withdrawal from Shao Bank. The minimum withdrawal is 7 USDT, zero commission charge, and it happens in less than 24 hours, guys. I not too long earlier today did a video where I showed the public that I literally requested a withdrawal, and in less than 15 or 20 minutes, we got that withdrawal instantly to our crypto wallet. So that is amazing to know that Shao Bank has been registered a whole year now, and we are still experiencing instant withdrawals, I would say, from the platform, right? So most of the time we did withdrawals, we got it in less than 24 hours. So with that being said, that's the two basic bonds available for 3 years that you have the opportunity to partake of, and to make it a better investment option for you. There are two bonds available, which I mentioned is not going to be available after the 17th of this month. That is CC2379. With this particular bond, it's 1,000 and I would say 14 USDT to invest into this bond. But guess what? You are now getting 0.55% a day for 1 year, right? So remember this, guys. This is 1 year, which means you have more access to your funds compared to the 3-year contracts. Right, so with this particular option here, every 2 weeks, you could do a reinvestment and withdrawal, because it's minimum 400 HKD to buy into one of the basic bonds. That's about 51 USDT. That's BB1720. So even if you come in with CC2379, you could still use a strategy that you reinvest and withdraw from the platform. So that is just to mention one of the special bond certificates available. And secondly, we have DD3267. With the DD3267, the minimum is 5,068 USDT, and you now get 0.65% 7 days a week for 1 year. So with this now, you now receive weekly 1820 HKD. So 1820 HKD will give you 233 USDT return back to you on a weekly basis. Again, guys, you could come up with a strategy where you withdraw and you reinvest. So in that way, you're securing some of your investment money and you also put in your money to generate more money for you. So as you can see in our account here, we have multiple bonds working for us. With Shao Bank, it's once for the week, you get a return hitting your account. The accumulation will be on a 7-day period. So as an example, I'm just going to pull up a calculator here and just show you what I'm speaking of. If you partake into the 0.40 contract and you times that by 7, it's 2.8% you're looking at coming back to your account on a weekly basis. So you could see countdown timers here. Different days we started different contracts, so which means our 7-day is going to be on different dates. When these countdown timers end, you're going to see a reflection back to your account based on your invested amount, right? So that is the bond contracts available within the platform. Again, you could pay with a lot of different cryptos, Bitcoin, Solana. They introduced Alipay and ePay as well. So that is the bonds contract there. If you're into other investment opportunities within the platform, there is something called the deposit option. With the deposit option, you could start this journey with $1,014 for 1 year, and over a 1-year period, you are looking at 11.5%, right? You are looking at 11.5% growth with your invested amount. So that's one way you can make this system work for you guys. You could have the bonds option working for you, and you could also have the deposit option working for you. So this is just to mention the investment side of the platform, right? We want to get into the marketing side of Shao Bank, right? We want to get into the marketing side of Shao Bank. So we basically going to introduce to you guys the built-in marketplace and how you could earn tokens and buy into cases from the platform. So let me just log back into my account here. You could also make your account a lot secured because you could activate the 2-factor authenticator, which I did. And by default, you're going to get a KYC method at the starting up of the signing up process, I should say. So you guys to protect your identity, guys. Identity is very important. All right, so we're going to head over straight into the marketplace here of Shao Bank. And this marketplace, guys, is super easy to understand. The referral with Shao Bank, they pay 7% on your first level. With Shao Bank, it's 10 levels deep, where you achieve 0.5% on your 10th level. However, if you want to participate into the network marketing, you're going to see price here. So Shao Bank pay us tokens in terms of rewards. So with these tokens that we get rewarded in our account, we could use those tokens to buy into cases and earn additionally. So the structure here is that they require a one-time purchase with the bonus tokens to activate your different levels within the network. So you can see we already bought into 7 levels within our network, and it's a one-time purchase. You could buy it and have the networking structure. You know, you have your team working and stuff, and you still get a small commission and participating into the network marketing side of Shao Bank. Right, so that's remember it's 7% on the first level, and you also earn tokens as well. So how Shao Bank they basically have implemented a system where they have their own marketplace. So with this marketplace now, you could use your tokens and buy into cases, right? So we're gonna just demonstrate example here. As you can see, our account is $10 here. We're gonna actually buy into a common case here. So we're gonna hit buy now. So instantly, I was rewarded 23 HKD to my account for participating into one of the cases. So only if you have the required amount, then you could purchase a case. So as you guys could see, we could do this every 24 hours and get one additional stream of income working for us in Shao Bank, right? So that's some ways you could utilize and capitalize on the opportunity. And with Shao Bank, once you sign up, you're verified, you get a Shao card, and with the Shao card, this is the card system that was talking about, where you get your money instantly reflected to your card from your returns coming back from your investment. And you could do a lot of stuff with this, guys. You could actually use this card in Hong Kong, and you could also use it in some of the European countries. So with this card, you have options as a client of the organization. You could withdraw from the card to your crypto wallet, minimum being $7 USDT. If you choose a different crypto, keep in mind they charge a small commission and it's no longer 7 USDT, or the minimum would be 400 HKD, which is about $51 minimum if you're choosing a different crypto to withdraw. Right, so you have an option here to refill your balance, where you could top up your account every so often, like a savings account within the platform. And once you reach like 400 HKD, you could activate bond within the platform using your top up balance. You could also transfer if you have active clients with Shao Bank and you would like for them to participate into the platform. You have the opportunity here to do an internal transfer, and they charge zero commission, and it happens instantly from one account to a next account. So that's some really, really huge stuff there, guys. And at this time, I just want to just ask Mr. Anthony, I'm seeing a top leader from Nigeria here. I really appreciate you being on all the calls, bro, and your support is greatly acknowledged. So I just want to ask, Mr. Anthony, just to share a little bit of his journey with the platform, and give some information about Shao. All right, so Mr. Anthony, if you could unmute, that would be great. Right, so not sure if Mr. Anthony is available at the moment. You could go ahead and put a message in the chat box, Mr. Anthony. Let us know if you're available to just share a little word of encouragement, because I know you have been with Shao Bank a while too. So I know you would have an experience to share as well within the platform. All right, so it seems to be that he's a bit occupied at the moment. No problem. So guys, just to let you all know, Shao Bank have accomplished a lot. We just want to just acknowledge some of the accomplishments, and they are basically globally accessible. They are no longer just Chinese or the UK availability. They are over 39 different languages supported. They have accomplished a lot in terms of meetings globally. They have a lot of sponsorship rolled out globally as well, and a lot of milestones accomplished within the platform. So at this time, I'm coming to the end of today's presentation. Really appreciate everyone coming out. I know it's a working day, and I know how tough it does be to really come on a call. That's why we have it recorded. You could take it in at a later date if the case be. But remember, guys, once you're interested, you like the opportunity, you like the idea with bonds, and you say, well, I think this is the right direction for me, I want to get involved, you simply just reach back out to the person who invited you to the call, tell them you heard the presentation, you saw an amazing opportunity, and you would like to be part of this organization. So once again, my name is Simeon, all the way from the Caribbean island, Trinidad and Tobago. It's a beautiful day today, and I do wish everyone a blessed remaining of today, Tuesday, and a fantastic week ahead. We will be doing our next opportunity call come Saturday at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Have a great day, guys. I will see you all on the inside. If not, I'll see you guys on Saturday call. Have a great day.